Hi guys, good afternoon. So we're doing a general cleaning. So ginagamit natin yung mga nakatambak na gamit. Nakatambak, ito kasi hindi siya nagkagamit. So ngayon nilinisan natin. So it's too many dust. It's too many dust ang art-art. Ayan, kaya magpa-power spray tayo for today's video. So ngayon maglinis tayo ng tray. Yung tray, maglinis tayo ng tray. I remember ko yung I was working on the cruise ship na pag naglilinis kami dahil hindi lang ganyan sabon, punas, tas